Hey there, this is Joel with the Traveler Toolkit, here today to tell you about AstroAI's JumpStarter. Now, this is something that I make sure every single member of my family has in their car, no matter the weather, because it's a matter of safety. This one comes in a really nice bag, and I should mention up front that AstroAI sent this product for me review, but they did not sponsor this video. These are my thoughts and opinions. I have had this one in my own personal truck for a while because I know this is big enough to handle my giant Chevy Silverado. So this has got a brick and a USB-C charger. That's what I love, that everything is going USB-C. So this is USB-C. You don't need a ton of different ports, but you've got your USB-C port and two USB-A ports here on this side, and they're labeled. One is a USB-A out at 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts, and the other one is 5 volts at 2.4 amps, and then this is the USB-C in and out. So that's the great thing about this, is not only can it jumpstart your car or your truck or your SUV, but it's also a battery backup. Let's say if your cell phone dies, and you need something to charge it up. Maybe your car's battery has died and your cell phone has died and you can't call anyone for help. You can plug your cell phone in here and you can call somebody before you jumpstart yourself to let them know. So you've got all your ports there on the side, weather protected here. I like the weather protected flaps. They also have a 12 volt adapter in case you have something with a 12 volt jack on it. You have a weatherproof jack here, plugs in, and this becomes a 12 volt powered battery that you can plug coolers or anything else that's powered by a 12 volt jack in right there. Then on the other side, our weather protected flap has a place for the JumpStart cables, which are right here. Very, very simple. All you have to do is plug these babies in. You can't do it wrong. It allows you only one way to plug them in. Pretty easy. And once you're plugged in, you've got your positive and your negative here, leads that will go on the corresponding terminals on your battery. There's even a little light here that will tell you if you have these reversed. If you happen to do it wrong, it will tell you. You can then reverse them, and it's got a boost button right here that you can hit to boost when you need a little bit extra juice. But all you do is plug these things in, make sure they're on, and you can go. It even has a battery meter right here on the front, 0 to 100. It's got a power button. You can turn it on and off, but right now you can see I'm at 100% battery. And yeah, this is a really simple operation. You can keep this anywhere. And oh yeah, by the way, if you're stuck on the side of the road and it's dark, it's got a flashlight. And let's turn off the main light so we can see how good this flashlight is. Yeah, so there we go. We got our flashlight here. It's not the world's biggest flashlight or brightest flashlight, but if you were on the side of the road and needed to see your engine bay, this would be enough light to get you to those terminals and give you the opportunity to connect your leads and get your car jumped. It also has a blinking light in case you need to SOS a car, kind of let them know that you need some help along the side. You double tap it to get it there, and then another double tap and your light goes off. So yeah, that is the AstroAI JumpStarter. Like I said, I keep this in my personal truck. I have one of these in every single car in our family fleet to make sure everybody from my wife to our teenagers are safe out there. And if they ever just run out of juice or leave a door open, they can jump themselves and get back on the road quickly and safely. So check it out for yourself. I really think it'll be handy for you.